Hello, everyone, and welcome to JBC English Learning Academy. My name is Laura.
And my name is Ethan. We are very happy to see you here today.
Today, we have a very fun and interesting lesson for you.
Yes, today we are going to talk about toys and learn many new English words.
We will look at different types of toys and also listen to some short commercials.
That's right, Laura. In our lesson, two children are watching TV and listening to toy advertisements.
These commercials are very common when children watch cartoons.
Yes, because children love cartoons and they also love toys.
So, this is a great way to learn English and also learn new vocabulary.
If you imagine, the children are watching TV and suddenly a commercial starts.
The first commercial is about a pirate ship toy.
It is a new pirate Lego set where you can build a ship and go on adventures.
With this toy, children can imagine they are pirates and search for treasure.
They can also create stories and play with their friends.
The next commercial talks about a colorful toy called Play-Doh.
Play-Doh is a soft material that children can use to make shapes and fun designs.
They can make animals, flowers, food, or anything they want.
This toy helps children become more creative and use their imagination.
After that, there is another commercial about action figures.
These are small toy characters that children can collect and play with.
Many children like to collect their favorite heroes and create stories.
Some toys are also special and limited editions, so they are very popular.
Then there is a commercial about a beautiful porcelain doll.
This doll is very elegant and made with high-quality materials.
It is also more expensive and needs to be handled carefully.
That's why it is not always the best toy for very young children.
Another commercial talks about board games.
Board games are great because you can play with your family and friends.
They help you think, solve problems, and have fun together.
For example, you can play chess, checkers, or other classic games.
Finally, there is a fun toy that you can carry everywhere.
It is a glow-in-the-dark yo-yo that children can use anytime.
After the commercials, the children return to watching their cartoon.
This is a normal situation because many toy advertisements come during cartoons.
Now, let's learn some important vocabulary from this lesson.
The first word is Lego. These are small blocks that you use to build things.
Children can build houses, cars, ships, and even cities with Lego.
The next word is Play-Doh. It is soft and easy to shape.
It is safe for children and helps them learn through play.
Another important word is action figures.
These are small toy characters, often from movies or cartoons.
Many children love collecting and playing with action figures.
Learning vocabulary through fun topics like toys makes English easier.
Yes, and it also helps you remember new words faster.
We hope you enjoyed this fun and simple lesson.
Keep practicing English every day and try to use new words.
All right, Ethan, now we are talking about the X-Men characters.
Yes, Laura, the X-Men are very popular and there are many different characters.
Some of the most famous X-Men are Wolverine and Rogue.
Many children and even adults love these characters.
When we collect small statues of these characters, we call them action figures.
That's right. An action figure is a small toy that looks like a character from a movie or cartoon.
Children play with these toys and create their own stories and adventures.
The X-Men are just one example of action figures.
There are also many other popular action figures.
For example, action figures from the movie Star Wars are very famous.
Yes, many children also love G.I. Joe action figures.
These toys are small statues that children enjoy playing with every day.
Now, let's move to the next important word.
This time, we will learn an adjective to describe the X-Men.
The X-Men are not normal people because they have special powers.
Some of them can fly and some of them have super strength.
Wolverine has animal abilities and very strong claws.
Because of these special powers, they are called mutants.
A mutant is someone who has changed and is different from normal people.
The verb form of this word is mutate.
To mutate means to change in a special or unusual way.
For example, if a frog has 3 legs, we can say it has mutated.
Normally, frogs have 4 legs, so this is unusual.
Sometimes animals or plants change in nature and we call them mutants.
Now, let's talk about another interesting word from the lesson.
This time, we will learn about porcelain.
Many people know what a doll is, but porcelain is the material used to make some dolls.
Porcelain is a very fine and beautiful material.
It is not glass, but it looks smooth and elegant.
It is also very delicate, so you must be careful with it.
Many plates, cups, and dishes are made from porcelain.
For example, teacups and dinner plates are often made of porcelain.
That is why porcelain dolls are usually expensive and special.
Now, let's learn our last word from today's lesson.
The word is ingenious.
This is a great word because it makes your English sound more natural and fluent.
Ingenious means very clever and creative.
It describes a smart idea or a smart solution.
For example, if someone creates a new and useful product, we can say it is ingenious.
I have gloves that can turn into mittens when I cover the fingers.
That sounds very practical and useful.
Yes, I think this design is very ingenious.
Today we learned many interesting and useful words.
These words will help you understand English better.
Now, let's listen to the dialogue again and practice more.
Keep practicing, keep listening, and improve your English every day.
Now, let's listen to a fun commercial about a popular toy.
The new Play-Doh Sparkling Brights Precious Gem Press is very exciting for children.
This toy helps kids make large and colorful gems for themselves and their friends.
It comes with 5 special molds to create different shapes.
The set also includes a new Sparkling Brights compound in 4 bright colors.
But remember, the treasure chest is sold separately, so you need to buy it extra.
Many children feel very excited when they see this kind of toy.
One child says, "Wow, Mommy, can I get that for my birthday?"
Now, let's listen to another commercial about action figures.
The commercial talks about special X-Men characters like Wolverine, Jean Grey, Rogue, and Professor X.
Children can collect all 4 of these special edition action figures.
These toys help children imagine and create their own stories.
One child becomes very excited and says, "No way! I want Professor X."
Now, we move to another toy, which is very different and more expensive.
These are collector's edition porcelain dolls.
One example is Little Bo Peep, and she comes with her own sheep and staff.
Her clothes are made from fine fabrics and real Italian lace.
Her face is also carefully painted by professional artists.
This doll costs about $199, so it is very expensive.
One child says, "She's so pretty. I have never had a porcelain doll before."
Another child replies that their parents may not buy it because it costs a pretty penny.
A pretty penny means something is very expensive.
It does not mean the penny is beautiful.
It simply means the price is very high.
Now, let's listen to another fun commercial about board games.
This product has 3 games in one, which is very useful.
Children can play chess and checkers on one side.
When they want more fun, they can flip the board and play the classic game Sorry.
One child says, "That is very clever and creative."
The child also says, "Why did no one think about this before?"
This idea is very ingenious.
Ingenious means very smart and creative.
Now, we move to another exciting toy.
Children can take SpongeBob SquarePants everywhere with a glow-in-the-dark yo-yo.
After the commercials, the cartoon show starts again.
Now, let's learn an important phrase from these commercials.
The phrase is sold separately, which is very common.
This phrase means something is not included in the box.
For example, batteries are often sold separately.
That means you must buy batteries extra.
This phrase is very useful when you buy toys or electronics.
Another important phrase is special edition.
Special edition means something is made in limited numbers.
These products are usually made for collectors.
Many people collect stamps, coins, cards, or toys.
Special edition items often become more valuable over time.
People keep them carefully and sometimes sell them later.
Today, we learned many useful and interesting words.
These words will help you understand English and real-life situations better.
Keep practicing every day and try to use these words in your conversations.
How can we use this phrase in another example?
I have always wanted to buy a Ferrari, but Ferraris cost a pretty penny.
So we must say cost a pretty penny and not just a pretty penny, right?
Yes, that is correct, because the phrase needs the verb cost before it.
So we cannot say it is a pretty penny.
No, we have to say it costs a pretty penny.
We can also say it is worth a pretty penny, right?
Yes, that is another correct way to use the phrase.
That is very good. And now let's talk about our last phrase.
Yes, this next phrase is very interesting and fun.
The phrase is glow in the dark.
Glow in the dark means something can be seen even when it is dark.
The verb glow means to give off light.
For example, if I turn off the lights in my room and I can still see my toy, that toy is glow in the dark.
That means the toy has light even when everything is dark.
Many glow-in-the-dark toys have a green color when they glow.
Yes, they usually look green in the dark.
When I was a child, I had glow-in-the-dark stars on my ceiling.
You put them on the ceiling so you could see them at night, right?
Yes, when the lights were off, I could still see the stars above me.
That sounds very beautiful and relaxing.
Glow-in-the-dark is simply a way to describe something you can see in the dark.
That is a very useful phrase to learn.
Now let's talk about some interesting toys.
There are many fun toys in advertisements.
Some toys are building sets like pirate ships.
Some toys are colorful modeling clay like Play-Doh.
There are also action figures like superheroes.
Some toys are beautiful porcelain dolls.
But porcelain dolls cost a pretty penny.
Yes, they are expensive and easy to break.
There are also board games that include chess and checkers.
Some board games even have 3 games in one box.
That is very clever and convenient.
There are also glow-in-the-dark yo-yos.
Those are fun because you can use them even at night.
Now let's talk about our childhood toys.
When I was young, I had a Brio train set.
A train set lets you build tracks and move the train around.
Yes, I built a very big track in my living room.
That must have taken a lot of time and creativity.
My goal was to use every single piece of the track.
That sounds like a fun challenge.
Some pieces did not fit together, so it was not easy.
But it helped you become more creative.
Yes, I had to push the train myself because it was not electric.
That still sounds very fun and exciting.
What was your favorite toy when you were young?
When I was growing up, I collected small toy cars.
That is not surprising at all.
I had many little cars and kept them in a special box.
Did you build the cars yourself?
No, I bought them already made.
Did you also collect larger model cars later?
Yes, later I collected scale model cars.
That is a very interesting hobby.
Yes, I really loved collecting and organizing them.
Toys can bring back many happy memories.
Yes, talking about childhood toys makes me feel happy and relaxed.
So did you build your model cars or did you buy them ready? No, usually I bought them already made because it was much easier.
Did you ever try building model cars or airplanes?
Yes, I tried building model cars and model airplanes, but it was very difficult for me.
Yes, it is very hard, and even adults sometimes find it difficult.
That's true, because it needs patience, focus, and careful work.
I don't know many children who enjoy building these models when they are young.
Yes, most children prefer easy and fun toys.
There are so many toys in the world, and every child has different favorites.
Many people also collect toys as a hobby when they grow up.
Childhood toys are very special and full of happy memories.
So we want to ask our friends a question today.
What type of toy did you play with when you were a child?
What was your favorite toy when you were growing up?
And if you have children, what toys do your kids like today?
We are very curious because we are not very familiar with modern toys.
Please tell us in the comments and share your memories.
Now, let's move to our vocabulary review.
Listen to the meaning, then say the vocabulary word.
A container used to give shape to something is called a mold.
Mold is a very useful word, especially for cooking and crafts.
Something valuable and special for collectors is called collectible.
A collectible item is usually rare and important.
A posable plastic toy of a character is called an action figure.
Children love playing with action figures from movies and cartoons.
A kind of toy that goes up and down on a string is called a yo-yo.
A famous animated television series is SpongeBob SquarePants.
A toy set made with Lego blocks is called a pirate Lego set.
A group of similar things that belong together is called a set.
A fictional superhero team is called X-Men.
A soft modeling material for children is called Play-Doh.
A box filled with valuable things is called a treasure chest.
Now, let's practice faster and repeat together.
A chest filled with valuables is a treasure chest.
A fictional superhero team is X-Men.
Something valuable for collectors is collectible.
A container used to shape something is a mold.
A modeling compound used by children is Play-Doh.
A group of similar items together is a set.
An animated television series is SpongeBob SquarePants.
A plastic toy character is an action figure.
A simple toy is a yo-yo.
A toy made with Lego is a pirate Lego set.
Now, let's hear these words in sentences.
Set is a useful word in daily life.
The little girls used their tea set and had a tea party.
This Lego set includes many characters and animals.
You can collect many sets and create your own toy world.
Mold is used in many activities.
He pressed the Play-Doh into the mold.
She poured cake batter into the cake mold.
He lifted the sand mold and saw his beautiful sandcastle.
Collectible is also an important word.
I keep my doll in the box because it is collectible.
Some people collect coins, stamps, or cards.
Every year, my uncle gives me a collectible coin.
Action figure is very popular with children.
This action figure can move its arms and legs.
Many children have action figures from movies.
Some actors even have action figures of their characters.
Yo-yo is a fun and simple toy.
Some people can do amazing tricks with a yo-yo.
She learned many yo-yo tricks at school.
I can only do simple yo-yo tricks, but I still enjoy it.
That was a great vocabulary review.
Now, it's your turn to practice.
Listen to the meaning and say the word.
A container used to give shape to something is called a mold.
Considered valuable by collectors is called a collectible.
Many people keep special toys because they are collectible and valuable in the future.
A posable plastic figurine of a character is called an action figure.
Children love to play with action figures because they can move their arms and legs.
A kind of toy that goes up and down on a string is called a yo-yo.
A yo-yo is simple, but some people can do amazing tricks with it.
An animated television series for kids is SpongeBob SquarePants.
Many children and adults enjoy watching SpongeBob SquarePants because it is funny and entertaining.
A toy set made with small building blocks is a Lego set.
A pirate's Lego set usually includes ships, pirates, and treasure.
A group of similar things that belong together is called a set.
For example, a tea set includes cups, plates, and a teapot.
A fictional superhero team is X-Men.
The X-Men have special powers and fight to protect people.
A soft modeling compound used by children is Play-Doh.
Kids use Play-Doh to make shapes, animals, and creative designs.
A chest filled with valuable things like gold and jewels is called a treasure chest.
Pirates in stories often hide their treasure chest on secret islands.
A container used to give shape to something is called a mold.
People use molds to make cakes, toys, and even sculptures.
Now let's hear these words in simple sentences.
Yes, listen carefully and try to repeat after us.
The little girls took out their tea set and had a tea party.
This Lego set comes with 5 people, a dragon, and 2 horses.
He pressed the Play-Doh into the mold to make a star shape.
She poured the cake batter into the mold and put it in the oven.
I keep this doll in the box because it is a collectible item.
Every year, my uncle gives me a collectible coin for my birthday.
This action figure can shoot a laser from its arm.
My brother has many action figures from his favorite movies.
This boy at school can do cool tricks with his yo-yo.
I only know how to throw the yo-yo and bring it back.
Learning new words is fun and useful.
Keep practicing every day, and your English will improve.
Thank you for learning with us at JBC English Learning Academy.
See you in the next lesson. Keep practicing and stay confident.